and welcome back to our channel, Coggins Kitchen.
I'm Julia.
And I'm Charlotte.
At a time like this, when we're all stuck at home, you may find yourself craving something sweet.
Perhaps a bit chocolatey.
Well, crave no longer.
Today we will be going to teach you how to make flourless chocolate cakes.
We will be using a recipe from America's Test Kitchen Kids.
We would also like to mention something about America's Test Kitchen Kids.
Normally, you would have to pay to access the website.
Recently, however, they have opened up the website for all.
There are tons of fun activities and ideas that involve cooking there.
We all know you are sitting at home, so you should go on their website and try some of this stuff out.
We applied to become official recipe testers, and they accepted us.
You can apply too. It's a volunteer position with edible rewards.
Go to their website for more information if you are interested.
The tools you'll need for this recipe are 4 6-ounce ramekins, rimmed baking sheets, 2 bowls, 1 large microwave safe, 1 medium, rubber spatula, whisk, measuring cups, measuring spoons, oven mitts, cooling rack, plastic wrap, and a fork.
The ingredients you will need for this recipe include vegetable oil spray, 1 cup chocolate chips, 8 tablespoons unsalted butter, chopped, ½ cup sugar, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, 3 large eggs, a 1/4 cup water, 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract, we will be substituting with rum, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. This recipe will yield 4 chocolate cakes.
Make sure the rack is in the middle position. Then, preheat the oven to 275 degrees on bake.
As always, remember to wash your hands before you start to cook. It is important to stay clean while you cook.
Spray the insides of the ramekins with vegetable oil spray, then place the ramekins on the baking sheet.
In a large microwave-safe bowl, combine the chocolate chips and the butter.
Heat them in the microwave for about 2 minutes at 50% power.
Using the oven mitts, remove the bowl from the microwave. Use the rubber spatula to stir until the mixture is well combined and shiny. Let the chocolate mix cool for 5 minutes. While the chocolate is cooling, whisk together the sugar and the cornstarch in a medium bowl. Add the eggs, vanilla, water, and salt until combined.
Add that mixture into the chocolate mixture and whisk until smooth. Once combined, pour the batter evenly into each ramekin, about 6 ounces per ramekin.
Place the baking sheet into the oven. Bake until the edges are set, but the center still look wet. 20 to 24 minutes.
Let's see if they're ready. Not quite. Let's add a few more minutes. We've just added some time. Now let's see if they're ready to come out. They're only jiggling a little bit, so I think they're good. Smell great.
Before you remove them from the oven, use oven mitts to gently shake the baking sheet. If the cakes look liquidy and jiggle a lot, Let them bake for a few more minutes. When the centers of the cake only jiggle slightly, remove the baking sheet from the oven.
Set the baking sheet on a cooling rack and let them cool for 30 minutes. Cover each ramekin with plastic wrap and use a fork to poke small holes in the top of the plastic. Refrigerate until the cakes are firm and cold, at least an hour. The cakes can be refrigerated for up to 2 days. Remove the cakes from the refrigerator and let them sit out for 30 minutes before serving. If you are impatient, like us, you can put them in the microwave for 30 seconds to a minute to warm them up faster. You can add toppings to the cake if you'd like, such as whipped cream, berries, or confectioner's sugar. Grab a spoon and enjoy.
So, what do you think the texture will be like?
I think it's gonna be really gooey.
Really?
Yeah.
Let's find out. Ooh, close.
Oh no!
Wow, that's good. It's like so chocolatey.
Oh my
Like,
gosh,
so
you're right.
chocolatey. Did you think it was an easy recipe?
It kind of looks a bit hard, but I'd say it was an okay one. Not too easy, not too hard.
I agree. Thanks for
And
cooking
Coggins
with Coggins Kitchen. Bye.
Bye!
You may find yourself craving something sweet.
Perhaps a little bit chunky.
Chocolatey.
Hi, and welcome back to Coggins Kitchen.
I'm Julia.
And I'm Charlotte.
At a time like this, when we're all stuck at
Whenever you're ready.
Hi, and welcome back to Coggins Kitchen.
Charlotte.
Come on.